Talagang it was just my attitude. Ito talaga na trip ko dati po, kuya. Bullying people, getting in fights with people. I don't know why. I don't know why.
Matapos makuha ang Black Circle, ramdam ang lungkot ni Mitch.
Ikaw, sa tingin mo, ano kaya ang dahilan kung bakit?
Hindi ko talaga po alam, kuya. It was just kind of person na talagang bad attitude, bad trip always. I don't know why. I don't know.
May karanasan ka ba sa iyong personal na buhay, Mitch? Para maging ganyan ang pakiramdam mo?
I don't know, kuya. Parang, siyempre dati hindi kami talagang close sa parents ko. I don't feel their love. Tapos, the more I don't feel their love, I become more parang bad boy. Dati, the real reason why we came here is because sobrang kulit ako po dati sa Germany. Every week, my mom went to the principal's office because of me. And sa ibang bansa, sa Germany, that's a big violation. So, syempre, because of me, we are in the Philippines. So, I feel so bad.
Ano ba yung ginawa mo?
Being disrespectful to the teacher. I don't know how I came into fights. I don't know why I was that kind of person.
Nung ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na yon, anong nararamdaman mo at that time?
I felt lonely. Kasi dati po, kuya, din na wala po akong friends, kuya, sa Germany.
Mas nais kitang maunawaan. Naranasan mo bang maging iba?
Talagang, it was just my attitude. Ito talaga na trip ko dati po, kuya. Bullying people, getting in fights with people. I don't know why. I don't know why. Tried my best talaga po, kuya, to change. I did it for my parents po, kuya. Kasi I saw the pain in my mom's eyes.
May isang bagay na sigurado akong totoo. Hinding-hindi mapapagod ang iyong mga magulang, lalo na ang iyong nanay. Nagabayan ka.
Yes po, kuya.
She only wanted the best for you.
Opo, kuya. Pero po, kuya, dati ko, kuya, I was too stupid to parang, to see it, to feel your love, so, now I know kahit how bad she is at me, she still loves me.
Pero, tatandaan mo, Mitch, na mahalaga na magbigay tayo ng respeto sa isa't isa. Magbigay ng respeto sa iba. It's never too late to ask for forgiveness.
Opo, kuya.
Ang pagiging tunay na lalaki hindi nasusukat sa lakas ng katawan o sa pambubuli ng iba. Ang tunay na lalaki ay marunong magpakumbaba, marunong rumispeto,
Opo, kuya.
at marunong umunawa ng kapwa.
Yes po, kuya. Pero po, kuya, dati po, kuya, hindi ako tunay na lalaki po dati, kuya. I was a child. That's what I regret. I didn't realize it earlier.
It's not too late, Mitch.
Sige po, maraming salamat po, kuya.